First, to delete your Xbox account is quite easy and simple. First, you have to simply go to any browser and log into your Xbox account. For example, in my case, you can see the Google Chrome browser and I am logged into my Xbox account. You can also do that on mobile phone. So here we have the profile icon at the right top corner. Click on this and here click on my Microsoft account. And once you are here, you need to go and click on your info on the left. So click on this. And once that is open, you need to scroll down a bit. And under the account info, you can see close account. Click on close account. And again, click on close account. So if you want to read it, you can read it all. It is in English. In my case, it was in German, so just leave that. Click on further. And just check mark all. And now you have to select a reason, whatever. Click on mark as closed account. So once you do that your Xbox account will be deleted. So hope by doing so you can see here you'll be able to delete your Xbox account. But before you go, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.